Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your own advent calendar. All you need for that is a glue stick here, some paper and a pair of scissors. So now let's get going. This is what I'm doing. I'm doing these boxes here. First of all, what we're going to do is we're going to make a square out of the paper. So I'm just folding this piece of paper over. Next, I want to cut off this end bit here, so it is really just a square. I put this piece aside. You could use it for something else. Then you see there's already one line folded. You just fold it over the other way. So I'm just gonna do that. Then you just take each corner and you fold it into the middle. And you do it on each side. So you see all the corners can be folded into this, but it doesn't need to be. And then you just open it up again. Then you take each corner and you fold it over to the other side, to this sort of where it had this crisscross section. Now I'm going to do that also on the other side, on each individual side. Fold it over to the other side, and you can see there's this pattern forming. And this is now the final one. Basically fold it over to the further away line. You see, this is the pattern. And now I'm gonna cut here only the first two lines, up to the first two. So basically in the middle is a little square left. You don't cut into that. I'm only cutting on one side and then on the other side, like here. I'm gonna show you that. And I'm doing this exactly on the opposite side, but only on the opposite side. The other two corners we just leave like they are. Then I take the glue and go to the other corner and put some glue onto the corner. Basically, look, this is how it looks. So basically I have to fold in the outer bits and sort of put them together, as I will show you now. So put them glue. So I'm putting some glue down. Then I fold it over. Next I fold over the other side. And I'm doing the same thing. Then I will take the sides here, just fold them a little bit to give it some shape, and I will do the same on the other side. Then I will put them together like so. But first I put some glue on the other corner again and on the other side, and then I fold over these two ends like this and the piece of paper around it and press it down. And you can see half of the box is already forming. So here these two parts are together. You hold them together, fold it over, and that's it. You have the first half. So now let's get going with the other half. Once again, I fold over the paper, make it a square and cut off the rest. Advent calendars were first used by the German Lutherans in the 19th and 20th centuries. And these ones you can easily fill them up, whatever you want for your kids or your friends, whoever you make this calendar for. And the Advent calendar, it sort of goes from the 1st of December until the 24th, even though Advent usually falls between November, sort of end of November, the first Sunday. So now here you can see is this box. We fold it over, put it together, and there you have it. You have a box you can fill up. And so now I will show you, you could also, to save yourself time, use more than one paper to do the folding. Sort of have them together. Here I'm taking 4 pieces of paper. Make sure that they are properly in line before you do any more folding or cutting, and you fold it over. So this can save you quite a bit of time if you're doing 24 of them. And you turn it over again, and you do the same way how you did the big box. It's just 4 in 1. So you see these are already a bit smaller. And I've also made of the rest bits some really tiny ones, you can see here. You can decorate that however you like. It's quite fun if you're doing it with kids. Here you can see the final calendar. I've put it on a wooden board and put some decorations around it. You can also attach these boxes to a piece of paper or anything like that, and then also decorate, paint on the piece of paper. So you really are free to do whatever you want, and you are very free to fill them with whatever you want. So it is a really nice gift and surprise for someone for Christmas.